Okay, so we got this situation. If the vertices of the hyperbola be at this and this, so look at this, you know that vertices are on x-axis, so we will have horizontal hyperbola, correct? Suppose that this is your hyperbola. Okay, suppose this is correct, and you know that they are talking about vertex, so vertex is at minus 2 comma 0, vertex is at 2 comma 0, correct? And foci, one of the foci be at minus 3 comma 0, minus 3 comma 0. Now look at this, you know that we have memorized some result connected to horizontal hyperbola. So if it is vertex, it should be a comma 0, correct? Minus a comma 0. Also this thing will become minus of ae comma 0, and this thing will become focus plus of ae comma 0. So based on this question, can I say that value of a becomes 2 because of this relationship? Then the which of the following point does not lie on the hyperbola? So what we have to do is, you have to find out the equation of this hyperbola, and then you have to like choose the option which is not satisfying the hyperbola. Okay, so the main point is to find out equation of hyperbola. You know that it is horizontal, so we will have x square by a square minus y square by b square equals to 1, correct now? So we have to find out a and b. A to we already have calculated. Now look at this, they have provided you foci ae. So can I say that ae is 3? And you know that a is 2, so can I say that e is 3 by 2? So we got e. Now look, you have to calculate a b, है ना? A you already know, e you know, so can I use relationship of a, b and e to find out b? Because we have two variables and we know those two things, a and e. So I'll be using that relationship of a, b and e. Now you know that there will be 1 minus e square. It's a horizontal hyperbola, so we will take help of horizontal ellipse in which a square is bigger, so a square will go inside, b square will stay outside. So this is the relationship of a, b and e in ellipse. But in hyperbola, you know that we used to replace b square with minus of b square, correct? Can I write b square as a square e square minus 1, means I have multiplied both sides by minus. So a is 2, so a square will become 4. E square you know 9 by 4 minus 1. So can I say that it will become 5 by 4. So b square will become 5, correct? So can I write required equation is x square by 4 minus y square by 5 equals to 1. So we got our equation of hyperbola. Now what we will do, we will go through the options, we will try to satisfy the points which will satisfy, we will reject them, because we want the points which does not lie on the hyperbola. Okay, I hope the idea is clear.